Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. I want to share something today with you, and I expect that you will respond your views in this regard to me over telephone or through chat. Recently I was engaged in a serious debate. Actually, speaking, I was a member of other Facebook group also, and in an astrological group. There was a question, some person posted in the Facebook on that page. Is there any change of luck or fate by changing the spelling of name? There are so many comments, mass trolling, but one astrologer, renowned astrologer, he is commenting repeatedly in different persons' comment. He is commenting below, and his main point is nobody can change our destiny. Whatever you do, whatever labor, whatever effort you give, nobody, you cannot change your destiny. I was very much annoyed with that type of answer, that type of comments of that astrologer. Now I commented and I told that everything in this is changing. You have changed your life. You once upon a time became a child and you are adult now. Everything is changing. Then why destiny or fate cannot be changed? In this universe, there is not a single particle. All stars, planets are moving always at every moment. We are also moving from childhood to old age. We are becoming aged. Then why our destiny will be fixed and static? But he replied me that no, destiny is fixed and static. I then again convinced him, and I told him a number of times that your perspective, your vision is somewhat wrong. It is not correct that destiny cannot be changed, fate cannot be changed. But he repeatedly telling me that no, destiny cannot be changed. Whatever in your fate, in your destiny is allotted by God, it will happen. Whatever you do, whatever give your effort, labor, everything is in vain. As per your destiny, you will get the desired result in your life. I was very much angry upon that person. I told him that then why you are working? I am working to change my destiny to my fate. If you think that your destiny is fixed and you will get as per your destiny, then you may take rest in your home and you will get your destiny. No, we have to work. We have to work hard to get those destinies. I again ask, if you don't work hard, then what would be? Then he then told me that now you have come. I have already completed. Please interrupt me. I have already completed. Please take it and don't send it to WhatsApp now until I am telling you. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. He told me that. I then told him, if you are telling me, if you do not work, you will not get that destiny which is allotted or fixed in your life, got fixed. That means your destiny may be decreased or reduced. If the destiny can reduced, can it not be increased or improved? Then he is again telling me, no, it is not correct. Your vision is by, and every comment is right by, and that by is irritating my mind, was irritating my mind. I told him that you are telling that if I do not work, your fixed destiny will be reduced and decreased. So destiny can be reduced. Destiny, if destiny is reduced, what is reducible, it also can be increasable or improved. But he is not accept my view, and he is throwing negative comments to all of them, those who are giving their comment as positive. No, destiny can be changed if we do hard work, if we etc. etc. And in every comment, in every person's comment, he is giving his comment, no, destiny cannot be changed. I am telling you that there is nothing destiny. Every particle in this universe is moving. Every planet, every star, every galaxy. And you know, if the planet is moving, if there is no fixed destiny, then we have also no fixed destiny. Destiny cannot be fixed. Hard work and is the main thing. Do your work and you will certainly change your luck, destiny, whatever it may be. Thank you very much. Again, very good morning. Good luck, best of luck. Thank you.